So let's talk about Dovely. This is an app that takes a smart, AI-driven approach to credit repair and management. If you've been trying to figure out how to boost your credit score or protect your current one without dealing with all the headaches, Dovely is definitely worth looking into. It's super simple to get started, and the best part is that signing up doesn't even affect your credit score, so you don't have to worry about any negative impact right out of the gate. With Dovely, you can quickly sign up and start seeing real changes to your credit, all backed by an AI engine that's built to optimize your credit score over time. One of the most attractive features is that Dovely's free plan already provides a lot of value. You get a monthly TransUnion credit report and score, personalized tips for improving your credit, and access to credit building offers that can help you strengthen your credit profile. Plus, you can manually dispute errors on your TransUnion report, which can really help if you're seeing inaccuracies that are dragging your score down. For people who are just starting out or want to test the waters, the free plan is an awesome way to get a feel for how the system works. No hidden fees, no catches. However, if you're looking to seriously bump up your credit score or need more advanced features, the premium plan at $39.99 a month offers a lot more power. You get all the basic features of the free plan, plus AI-powered multi-bureau disputes, which means Dovely will take care of issues with multiple credit bureaus automatically. It also comes with real-time credit monitoring, so you'll always be in the loop about changes to your score or any potential identity theft alerts. In fact, premium users see an average credit score improvement of 82 points in about 6 months, which is a pretty impressive boost. What really sets Dovely apart, though, is how easy it is to use. The AI engine does most of the work, so once you've signed up, it's pretty much hands-off. You don't need to be a credit expert to understand the advice or actions it suggests. You'll get regular updates, tips, and insights that are tailored to your specific credit situation, making it clear exactly what steps you need to take to improve your score. That said, there are a couple of downsides to keep in mind. First, while Dovely's AI engine is powerful, it's not a magic fix. It still takes time to see significant improvements, and how quickly you see results will depend on your credit history. But overall, most users report seeing decent improvements in just a few months. Also, if you're just casually looking to monitor your credit, the premium plan might feel a bit overkill. The free version already offers a solid foundation, so the extra $39.99 a month might only be worth it if you're actively trying to make major changes to your score. Overall, Dovely is a great tool if you're looking to take charge of your credit without all the hassle of traditional credit repair methods. It's easy to use, provides personalized help, and its AI-driven approach is incredibly efficient. Whether you're starting from scratch or need to protect an already strong credit score, Dovely is definitely worth checking out.